JavaScript has 8 basic data types. ఒకటి it is divided into two types, already two types. That will be primitive data type and non-primitive data type. Primitive data type and non-primitive data type. Okay na? And primitive data type, that will be string, number, BigInt, Boolean, Undefined, Null, symbol. Okay, and here non-primitive data type. First one is object. Okay, so here string. So first we need to implement the string. Here the string means what happens, it is used to the textual data only. Okay, it is used to in the string format, it is used to textual data. Okay, so in the textual data we need to declare in the variable, that will be the let and name. So this will be the variable name, and here I am going to give the textual data, that will be the my name, and here the city. Here I am taking again let will be the variable, and here data type, and here I am taking Hyderabad. Okay, so here I am taking what is the type, here I am declaring. So it is using console.log, it is the printing statement for JavaScript. Okay, so here the type of, I am directly calling here the name. So it will be tell it is the what is the type, it will be string, data type, num type, and what it will be. So I am going to opening Angular here. So here the JavaScript, here CMD. So what is the CMD? This is a shortcut key for command prompt. I am going to open this, and here I am taking a new file, that will be the data type dot saving JS, that will be the here string. So this data type will be the string, and I'm going to giving the single line comment here. So here type it is mentioning, that will be the string, and after that what we have a number. So what is the number? So you can take the number, so only numerical value will be accepted here. It is used for integer, integers and floating points, integer and floating points here, and numbers. Okay, so here I am taking let age, so that will be 25, and after that let price. You can, I am taking here the float values as well. Float values, also integer values also accepted in the number type. Okay, so I am going to taking, and I am going to calling, that will be the console.log here type of I'm taking the same. Okay, the type of here I'm taking age, so it will be indication what is the type it will be defined. So I'm going to taking here, I'm going to pasting here in the Visual Studio Code. This will be the number. Okay, so we will see. So here it will be the string and it will be the num type, and I'm going to calling here the price. It will be floating point or else what we will see. So this is also the number. So here it is declaring the type. What is type you have given in the variable sessions. Are you getting my point, Kavya? Next, we have BigInt as well. Directly I will just a moment, BigInt. So here BigInt. So in BigInt, so used for very large integers. Okay, very large integers. So here let big number, you can take this, how much you have to take, that much number it will accepted in the big number. Okay, so I'm going to add this one. So here, so this will be the begin, you can take any big number here. So here the console.log, and after the type of big number I'm calling here. Okay, so here what happened, so it is also calling the number only, big number. So here the big number, wait a second, huh?
Semicolon.
Not
Big
an issue,
number.
semicolon. It is taking longer only. Here see, big int, so n number of values you can take here. Okay, so it is the type of, it will be the big int. Okay, after that big int you can take uh, it will be the boolean, right? So here the boolean, so used for true by false, okay, so it will take let is active, true. Okay, next, let is logged in, let is logged in, so it will be false. Okay, console.log. So here this will be the console.log, this will be the type of is active, so it will be presented it is the true or false. Okay, so only the boolean values will accepted only true or false, that's it. Okay, boolean okay, only it will accepted true or false, so this will be the boolean, so it will present the boolean. Okay, next undefined. So undefined means what, we will see as per definition. Okay, undefined, so undefined, a variable declare but not assigned. Okay, a variable declare but not assigned a value let score, so a value only. Okay, so we can take let score. Okay, let score console dot log. So I'm going to calling what it will be, so type of, I'm not declaring any value here, just let only I have taken and the variable name only I have taken. So we will see what happens here. Okay, so here undefined. Okay, so we can remove this, so we can run this. So it is taking undefined. Okay, are you getting guys? So null value, what is the null value? So the null value, null, so it is represents an internationally. Okay, it represents an internationally, this will be the empty or unknown values here, empty or unknown values. Okay, so here how it will be call it as means, like you can take assign let user. Okay, let user null. So here console dot log, you can take the type of, user. Okay, null. So it will take it is in the object manner, so it is defining the only the user only, so it is take only what is the object here. And you have you know what is object, and later I will talk. Okay, about that later I will talk. Next, what we have the symbol. So what is the symbol, it will be create the unique identifiers. Okay, only unique identifiers only it will be create. What is that, that will be the symbol. Okay, so here used to create unique identifiers. So let id symbol. Okay, directly you can take user id. Okay, so console dot log type of id, you can call type of id. So what is happened, the unique identifiers only it will accept it. So this will be the symbol I'm going to calling. Here I didn't show any front end data here. Okay, so here you can take, that will be symbol. Okay, so it is in the comment section. So it is very big error. Why? Because it will not accept it. So we will see. So without the backend data it will not work. Okay, so this will be the symbol, it will not indicate, it will not accepted in a command prompt. So next one will be the object. Object means what? It will accept the only key pair and values. Okay, so I'm taking let the person. So in this object I'm taking name. So here name, so here I'm calling Jayashree. Okay, next age, so here the integer values I'm calling, so integer values I'm calling here. Okay, so this will be the key pair values. Okay, so after that you can take, after ending the object directly you can take console dot log. Here the console dot log, you can take type of person.